I will talk about how can you want to group listen on your Cambly app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on learn down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on learn in small groups. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on join a group listen here. You just click here on subscribe here. So before that here you have to get your premium here. It's going to show for you like this. Then it's going to show for you here groups to join it on your Cambly app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.